down like a demo. She don't really know you.
But you wanted. No, you finished your meal.
I did finish it.
You finished it.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
No, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video by Unangam. So, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're regular, my dear one subscriber, welcome back, baby. So I'm at my mom's place. I'm so overstimulated. I want to go back to my flat. I want to go home right now. Because if you don't wake up in the morning and do the chores and do the what, so yeah, my brother went to a farm because he deals with inyama. He sells meat. He sells like fresh meat. Nkomo. He sells. He buys and then he slaughters and then he comes up. I look azotengisa. So ngokuze nechipu like chickens, and we have to the chickens sizixhwithe and then sell them. That's what we're doing today. Nivukile. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Umoya ingxaki. Ndingibona izimanzi because bekunethile. Hey, inside the house. The chickens. Say hi. How are you? I'm fine. Let's see the chicken. The chickens. How am I supposed to open this? Sana, I look like a fucking psycho. I look like a psycho because what do you mean I'm laughing at the chickens? They're gonna get unalived and I'm laughing at the chickens. Like, hi babies, we're about to show you guys. We're about to eat you guys. Oh shame. Like I feel so bad, né? But hey, we gotta eat. How do you open this? Because I can't open this. Like I wanna open it. Oh. Hey, my brother's gonna shout at me, Manyande.
Nomchino.
Iway food. I saw. Iway food. Sagarata. Longest. I'm a tick. No, I said I'm at the crime scene, Sana, and I couldn't do it. Like I could not do it. I could not do it. What I'm saying here, I'm saving you guys. I'm saving you guys the trauma. I'm saving you guys. I couldn't. Agogo. Ah. Oh.
Ngibulala emcimbini ekhaya ndifuna la mathuni. Ndisibulali madoda ndisiphuthi man. Ngase ndipheke nenantsi nedombolo ke. Ndixovele. Yithi isiqwathi. Ndixovelela ntoni umleqwa wakho? Awumandi ka utye nomphokoqo kuwo. Hayi. Utya wodwa. Hayi utye nomphokoqo.
Abafazi basezithuthi ndonqena undiphekelisa ndithi awuxhwitha kha wara
Uzawube uxhuthile ke.
but osalayo ndiyanipromowuthela kwibhizinesi yenu.
Yena uyazilantuka. Ntoba kwaJola iyagwezela wena wenzi kwanto.
Uyaphandla lo msingxaki.
Makwaba niyandishwabulela ke kenza intloko yabona mna ndichuba kanje nabo bathande ngowenza amadatsha apha. Kodwa uvela ndishwabulela. Hayi
Makazude
andisokolisa soso mani sundibhekelisa.
andikubhekelisi nje ndikuphekelisa kanjani ngakubhekelisa.
Ungena umntu onomsindo. Yho asibhobosi. Yho ndiyabazi nombhokoso.
God forbid nyhani hayi into ezithethwa apha.
Xa ungena apha. Yho sifuna ubhobozwa.
Ndizama ngumsi. Hayi makabumza mani.
Yho itshomi yam yomqinelo ndiyoyivusilela nabantwana abantu.
Makabubu ndabazi ndingayazi noba niyabazi makabubu.
Nyhani.
Wasaziqala. Ndaziqala
Ungekandazi wena. Iyafana iyaphi yaphi la tshomi yakho? Sifike njani ngapha?
Uhlala eKruifontein.
Sifike njani apha?
Oh sana amehlo wam umsi. Umsi amehlo wam. I need to go inside. Eat. Oh. My brother is gonna go buy both a takeaway, and then I'm waiting for him go for Makabuye so that we can both eat. Everyone has already eaten, by the way. It's not just us two. So now we wanted different things. Ngiyalingwa because what do you mean bana ndisutya amanqena nentloko just because khange ndixhwithe mna? Yes, I didn't xhwitha because benipromote ibhizinesi yabo. Hayi wow. Guys, if you want to buy ichipu upensi zinkukhu yi-150 inkukhu ibe ngupensi uhamba nephaphu uhamba nesibindi nentliziyo and iba nantoni but umphakathi welo wenkomo ne yi-250 rands. Only if you want to buy, but if you don't want to buy, then I can't give you my address. If you want to buy, yes, you can hit me up, and then I'll let you know. But if you don't want to buy, then I cannot give you my address. Like, I cannot give you my home address. What do you mean?
Hi, good morning. Molweni. Yes.
Yes.
So don't get lost here. ID and passport only. Other services offered at night. Birth certificate, birth registration, surname change, temporary ID. That other side. Yeah, it's only ID and passport. Don't get lost. ID and passport. Looking for wife. Want to register marriage?
I'm looking for a wife. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Sana, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Dilapha Home Affairs, just to do my stuff, my ID, my passport, yonke lanto. I am really not okay. I went to Ekailicha on Saturday. I think it was the 4th of July on Saturday. Rabepana, I was vlogging, I was doing everything like content wise, showing the lifestyle of Ekailicha and everything. And then when I'm on a Chomiam, and then Chomiam, like she was like, Chomi, up and you have to be like, open your eyes, you have to be vigilant, you have to know zabiwa phones apha, don't like suzana noba innocent bakho usuka ngapha ku-suburbs. This is the township, like you need to be vigilant, you need to open your eyes, you need to do like, you need to ube lapha, you need to be woke. And came like I thought I was woke, I thought I was like, I was more vigilant, I was cautious, I was like wide awake, but I never went again. So I lost my phone. I'm using a spare phone. I don't even know why Zavakala is sound because the phone it's not working properly. So I don't know if it's Zavakala is sound. I don't know, but it's Awanjan. Like I wanna cry so much because whoever took my phone, when there's 11 times 10, I don't have a phone. I don't work anymore. Like I don't do work. Into zomsebenzi wami, like my actual work, like my work ziphakla phone. So like dude, I don't know, but I have like my professional job kula phone. I don't have my manager's contacts, I don't have my supervisor's contacts, I don't have nothing. Number two, I have to pay imali ID, I have to pay imali passport. Like you costed me, bro. Whoever took my phone costed me. Like whoever took my phone deeply costed me. The person costed me. Like anangxaki imali ayithathileyo because nebheg yam ibivulekile, the wallet was open, yonke into ibheg yam ibivulekile. Anangxaki imali because imali izaphinda ibuye. Into enengxaki nayo bana taking my phone, like my SIM cards. I-SIM card yam ka-Rain obviously ndizaphinda ndiyifumane because I have to like request another one through Rain, app ka-Rain, like online, and then just get a new one. Then they deliver a new one. But marking me, bro, like that was insane. It's so insane because yonke ngoku le nto funeke yenziwe ndim. I have to go to Home Affairs to make an ID, new ID, passport. Dilapha eHome Affairs eStellenbosch ngoku. Like I'm going through all the emotions. I want to cry so bad. Like I want to cry so much. Like I want to cry so bad. But yeah, phone gone, everything gone. And you guys won't get vlogs anymore. You guys won't get vlogs anymore until I get a new phone, which is month end, the 30th of July. Today is the 7th of July. So imagine not getting vlogs. Yeah, and my work, like my professional work. I lost my phone, guys. I lost my phone. There's nothing I can do about it because the tracer yabibonakala bana ise Spine Road. I called the person like, can we please negotiate? I will give you maybe number 5 or 4 clip ane 400, and then you just bring the phone. You drop the phone. You take the money. You take everything. Just bring the phone or even my SIM cards. Because a lot of potential contacts, like work-wise, everything is there, and now I have nothing. Now I have nothing. I recovered my thingy, my YouTube channel. Luckily, backup account, it was linked to another email, so I could retrieve everything from there. So I recovered my my email. I recovered my YouTube account. I couldn't recover my TikTok account. I recovered my Instagram account. Luckily, I added my Instagram to this phone. So whatever happened, Kulando, then they wiped everything, the money. The end in Kabukisa West is that I had a lot of vlogs, for like interesting vlogs like visiting Ekasi. I went to my mom's place, and then that's why the thumbnail in Indian, I'm explaining about the thumbnail now. That's why the thumbnail it has like a chickens and stuff because we were doing activities pan. And then I love vlog. It's not enough because I only recovered like half of the vlog, not even half of the vlog, like quarter of the vlog. The rest in Canala phone. I wish I had saved everything online because whenever I start a new vlog, I would go as I edit as I go, like as I shoot content, then I edit. I quickly go to CapCut and then edit, and then just upload it online. You get upload it online. But this time around, I didn't do that. I just edited. Ne, you're gonna like then I go CapCut one because I wanted to download it, phone and then just upload it on my YouTube channel. This schedule, but this time around, I didn't do that. So I don't know, man. I don't know. But yeah, all of the vlogs are gone. The Ekasi vlog is gone. Like me going to a Kylie, me going to a Kylie, the stands, potential artists, the rap culture, the thing, everything, the vlog, what represented Kylie, the Spine Road area, Yongelando, everything is gone. Me vlogging, Jay, like in life in general, like some interesting vlogs, the other side of Ekasi, everything is just gone. Like gone, bro. Everything is just gone. And I have to start over. I have to start over again. I have to start over. Like you niggas are stealing from the wrong people, bro. Like I'm not saying but I steal from people who are more like, but you guys are stealing from the wrong people, bro. Like you're stealing from someone who's starting everything from scratch. You're stealing from someone. They have to budget and then wait for inyanga iphele ukuze bavusa enye ifone. You're stealing from a young content creator who's just dependent on your phone. Like you're stealing from me, bro. You're stealing me. You stole from me basically. Like you're killing my craft. You don't understand the damage that you've done. You killed my craft. You killed a lot of stuff, bro. Like I wanna cry now so bad. But in Pinandit, I'm gonna get a new phone, bro. Like I'm gonna get a new phone. I'm gonna get a new phone and
Rentana, né? You like it? You like it?
to be what? And it's always a man. And it's always a man, son.
What did you say?
Bye, Putwam.
Oh,
Yeah, go. I bought it, guess, son. Like, fuck. Oh, leave me alone. Like, yo. I wanna cry so much, but I'm trying to recollect myself. I'm trying to recollect myself. Like, I'm trying to recollect myself, bro. Like, I'm trying to. Yes, I've made a very stupid mistake by going Kulandao, by going to a college, but my intentions were to vlog, to show the other side. My intentions were to have fun while vlogging, get to know people from there, get to explore from there. But the mistake was not to go with someone Oyas Yolanda who was familiar with it. But yeah, bye for now.